Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Travels. So guys, on today's video on the step-by-step guide on how you can apply to Schengen visas, we'll be looking at Iceland. Okay, I'll be putting the link to this website in the description, so do not worry. Okay, so this is the official website. They said after the application and submitting the application online, applicants then have to make an appointment at the nearest VFS Global Visa Application Center. It is important to bring a signed printout of the online application to VFS. In addition, applicants must submit a completed Schengen visa application form. Download it here. A valid passport and all the required documents to the visa application center. Please note, if the applicant failed to submit all the required documents as stated in the approximate checklist, the Embassy of Iceland may make a decision based on the documents submitted. In addition, the embassy may request applicants to submit further documents, call applicants to ask them about statements made in their applications, or ask applicants to come to the Embassy of Iceland for an interview with embassy officers during the processing of their application. So please take note. So there are too many frequently asked questions. You can come here and read about them. Okay. So if you have questions about the application process, you may contact the Department of Central Schengen Visa Processing at the Icelandic Ministry of Foreign Affairs by sending an email to this email address. Okay, so let's just go ahead to download the application form. Okay, save. As you can see, this is Iceland's what's it called? This is Iceland's flag. Okay, so this place by the right is where you will put your photo. Then you fill out this information: surname, family name, surname of birth, first name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth. You put all of these good stuffs, guys. Just put your personal information. If you have family relationship with an EU, EEA, or CH citizen, or a UK national who is a withdrawal agreement beneficiary if applicable. So purpose of the journey is for tourism, is a short stay visa. Okay, but if you have any other reasons, please specify. Number of entries, we are always going with single entry because it's assumed that this is the first applicant. But if you have any differing option, you can select multiple entries or two entries depending. Okay, so you provide entry permit for the final country of destination where applicable. You provide phone number, like hotels and all that, all the information, the organization, means of support. If you are being supported by sponsors, if you are supporting yourself, you also choose all of these ones. Okay, so when you are done, you can read this. I'm aware that the visa fee is not refundable if the visa is refused. Okay, application uh, is in case a multiple entry visa is applied for. I'm aware of the need to have an adequate travel medical insurance for the first day and the subsequent visit of the territory of member states. So this one is for those that are traveling multiple entries. So you have to have enough medical insurance. Okay, when you are done reading all of this good stuff, you come and sign here. Okay, put your date, place, and you sign. Okay, so let's move forward to booking an appointment. So to be able to book appointment, VFS Global Visa Application Center, then you click on it after you have downloaded the form. Okay, so they said I am applying from, we are applying from, let me just put that. So let me just use South Africa for today. I don't think I don't think Nigerians are allowed to book appointments for Iceland. Okay, so let me just use South Africa. Take me to the website. Okay, so the website is going to open like this. We are the official partner of the Embassy of Denmark in South Africa. Okay, so applying for a visa, find information and begin your application. Book appointment, find a center, premium service. So we want to book appointments. So let's book appointments. So all you need to do here is to impute your email address. Okay, impute your email address. If you already have an account, you activate your account, but we don't have an account. So okay, so you go ahead to create an account. Okay, so since I don't have an account, I'll be creating a new account right now. Okay, so at gmail dot phone number, let me just put any phone number or anything at all. This is not my phone number anyway. So they said by creating an account, I hereby consent to the processing of my personal data in accordance with VFS privacy notice, including information necessary for communication and provision of service. It is important that you read this information on data transfer. I consent to the international transfer of my data between VFS, the government whose visa is applied for, and trusted VFS affiliates. Okay, okay, okay. So once you are done clicking here, you register. If you already have an account, you just click there and you move forward. So they said your registration has been completed. We've sent an email to you to your registered address to activate your account. Please click on the link to finish up the set your account. Okay, so see the mail they sent to me. They said, dear applicant, your account has been successfully created with the credential entered by you. Please note that your application details will be saved for 15 calendar days in case no activity is observed. Once you schedule an application appointment, your application will be available to your appointment date. So please click on the link below to activate your account. This will be valid for 2 days from the date of registration. So okay, activation successful. So now let me log in. It's going to open like this. You will see start new booking, active applicant, no applicant. I've not started any application yet, so start new bookings. Okay, so it's going to open like this. All field are mandatory appointment dates, so you have to choose your application center. Okay, remember at first I choose what's it called, I chose South Africa. So let me just choose the central area, Pretoria. Okay, choose your appointment category. Is a short stay visa. choose your subcategory is tourism. Okay, so they said section has expired. I don't know, it feels like I have to be very fast, so let me not make this video quite long. This is how you can book your appointment, fill out all of the good stuff, all of the information that you need. Once you are done with that, you select date and time. Okay, submit all the required supporting documents, and voila, you are good to go. So if you find this video really helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are yet to do so. Share this video to your friends and loved ones, and see you guys on my next video. And please do not make this your last. Toodles.